Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Battle.net account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, you want to hover over your profile at the top right, your profile name, and click Account Settings. And then you want to go ahead and log into your account. And then here on the left, you want to click Security. And here under Password, you want to click Update. And here you can type in your old password and your new password and click Save. If you're logged out, you can try to access Battle.net from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. And if you connected any of the accounts on your screen now, you can try logging in and changing your password. And if you're unable to log in, then you will need to reset your password. To reset your password, you want to head over to the Battle.net login page. So account and then click login. And then you want to click can't log in at the bottom. And then you want to click forgot password and enter in your email or phone number and click continue. And then you want to go check your email for a message from Battle.net. So the email should look like this and it should come from noreply@battle.net. So you can copy the security code and paste it and click continue. And here you can type in your new password and click continue. If you can't find your account information, then you would need to go to the next recovery step. If your email was changed, you want to head over to the Battle.net support site, battle.net/support. It's on your screen now and it will also be in the description as well. And be sure that you log in with an account, so whether that's somebody else's account or if you create a new one, because you can't contact support without it, they're just going to make you go through endless loops. And here under Battle.net support, you want to click account. And under tell us about the issue, you can use the description that I have in the video description and tweak it to your situation and click continue. Then you want to scroll all the way down and click I still need help and click contact us. And here you're given 3 options: web ticket, live chat, or phone call back. Since web ticket is the only one available, that's what I'll click, but you can choose whichever one you want. I'm going to go over the web ticket. And here you can go ahead and enter in your information, like the last known address and a new email address. For the email address, you want to ideally use the email address that was previously linked onto your account, specifically for the new email address. And the description is already pre-filled because you already did it before. So all you have to do now is just click submit after you input your information and wait for a response from Battle.net support. Here are some tips on securing your Battle.net account. Secure your email, verify that the email and or phone number on the account belongs to you. Use different and strong passwords across all sites. Enable 2FA, go to settings and sign out of everywhere, and revoke any suspicious third-party apps or third-party accounts. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, join our Discord community. You'll get help from both us and other members to guide you through the account recovery process and secure your account. For more severe cases, we offer one-on-one single and multi-account recovery help for comprehensive support with hacks affecting multiple accounts. Click the link in the description or on your screen now to join our Discord and get help recovering and securing your account today. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.